Peace, y'all. April 29, we're out in the garage bleeding up Larry's B-stock cart. Wild Bill over in Chicago, how you doing, buddy? Good talking to you on the phone last night. Glad to see somebody that's probably more educated with me, got more years in go-karting than I do, actually watches these videos. It's kind of cool. So welcome to the garage, man. We're just hanging out, being dudes, you know. Heads up, go over to the Vortex Driver RPM or whatever the other site. I posted all the videos that were lost for a couple of weeks from the test day, the handheld stuff that I did. I posted on there last night. So there's like 13 videos there. Some of them zany and stupid. Some of them, you know, not so bad. But it was pretty cool. Pretty cool weekend over there. We had a good time. So now that it's you know, almost a month later, I get the video up and stuff, and you can check out what happened over there. Playing around, you see, we'll run you through some videos of bleeding the Virgin system with nothing but gravity. That's all we're doing. We're not going to pump any brakes or anything. These brakes will be awesome by the time we're all done RPMing these bad boys out. So, the Lance and Ace and all the guys, I know you're lurking out there because I know you send me texts and make comments and phone calls and stuff. So it makes you know, I gotta wonder. You're watching, but you don't comment. Comment, man. Say something. Let me know I'm not talking to a blank camera, an empty wall over here on my own, man. That's it, guys. Hope to see y'all at the racetrack. If I don't, race safe. Have a good year, and man, just be safe. Just be safe out there. Watch your rear end and make the right choices. That's easy to say and not so easy to do. God bless. Hang in there, y'all. We're playing around with the go-kart here out in Racing Roseville. She's draining down. We're about ready to stop this here.